So hello guys, what's up? I hope you all are fine and safe. So after many days I am shooting a video for my YouTube channel. I don't know how the video will perform. So today I am gonna show you an easy demonstration on watercolor on my favorite topic, books and reflection. So without wasting much more time, let's start it. So guys, as you have seen the demonstration video of the painting, here's the painting is. comment down your views about this painting on the comment section below and rate it out of 5 or 10 as per you like. So I think I will be consistent with my videos from this time. So see you in the next video guys. Till then, be safe, take care, see you, have a good day, keep doing DIYs and keep doing your artworks. So see you in the next video. Bye.